Hello Brap gang, it's your boy Brap Jeans, and today we're going to be destroying my mom's office.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the,
Before we get into this, rule number 1, eye protection. You got to be safe. Also make sure your mom is not home when you're destroying her office. We're getting this desk out of here today, so I told my mom I would help her with that. She probably thinks that I'm going to take it apart. Well, I am, but not in the way she's thinking. So we're going to get down to it. Ready? So. Onward and out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you destroy your mom's office. Have a great day, guys. Peace.